called Project Must Be Nice, and for good reason. Born from E.C.D's signature lineup, this D90 is more than a Defender. It's a declaration of power, precision and presence. Under the hood, a supercharged LS3 engine commands every drive. Brembo brakes and Fox shocks keep the power grounded, ready for anything the road throws your way. Finished in smooth Keswick Green eggshell paint with Narvik black accents, the look is both classic and commanding. From the 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels to the dual sport exhaust with ceramic-coated tips, every detail speaks confidence. Up front, the tubular bumper and worn winch remind you that this build was made to perform. The external roll cage, black magic lighting and E.C.D custom engraving seal its unmistakable identity. Inside, Must Be Nice becomes a world of craftsmanship. Tobacco leather, Corbeau seats, a hand-stitched in horizontal honeycomb pattern, paired with a suede headliner and black billet metal for a look that's as refined as it is rugged. A Momo Prototipo wheel, mole bomber gauges, and touchscreen CarPlay merge heritage with modern comfort. Every switch, every stitch, every sound, custom built, handcrafted, and unmistakably E.C.D.